Hiccups driving you bonkers? Let's crack the mystery and get rid of them, fast. Hiccups. We all get them, but what's the deal? Well, it's all about your diaphragm. That's a muscle under your lungs. Sometimes it gets irritated and contracts suddenly, which makes you hiccup. Crazy, right? So, how do we stop these pesky things? Tip 1, hold your breath. It helps reset your diaphragm. Tip 2, drink a glass of water, but do it slowly. It can calm that twitchy muscle. Still hiccuping? Try tip 3. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. The sweetness can help distract your nerves and stop the spasms. Remember, hiccups usually go away on their own, but these tricks can speed things up. Next time you get the hiccups, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Bye for now.